Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. Just going to show you guys Central Station platform number 12. It's been recently reopened. However, you may know behind these white walls around here, that's where platforms 13, 14 and 15 once stood. Of course, that's since been demolished during the Christmas and New Year break, because coming in a few years time, Sydney Metro will be arriving at Central. Just give you guys a walk down platform 12 for you guys. Beside us on platform 11 we have front half H19. The station sign, only temporary of course. Just give you a walk down platform 12. Unfortunately, there are no peepholes, so I won't be able to show you the construction phase of it unless I go on platform 16. And coming up to H43. Just coming up into some shade. Temporary station sign.
Customers and welcome to Central Station. Customers 5538 Olympic Park service or service will be passing platform 5.
There are quite a few people up there, just going to quickly turn around.
38 Olympic Park service.
Anyway viewers, that's all I had to show you guys here. There's not much more I can film here. So please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell on the bottom right hand corner of the screen right next to the subscribe tab. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.